I wanted to come on this retreat, the Evolution Yoga retreat, because I'm a busy mother, so I don't have time and space for myself to just go deeper and go inward. And I really, really needed a balance because I've been a lot of doing. And so I really needed that balance of having time to myself and doing a retreat where I could replenish and uplift myself. You know what, I thought about that, and it's like saying, who is your favorite person? It's like I can't say what my favorite activity was because everything was unique and I absolutely loved it all. And there was such a balance. And yeah, I got so much from everything. Like, I think it was a really well thought out program, and there was so much in everything. I actually could not say what my favorite thing was. The beauty and the richness of devotion. I love them all. The moment I saw them, I just felt that they were just really grounded but very connected human beings, and they all glowed. Like, I was just like, wow, wow, these people are glowing. And through getting to know them, every single one of them gave me so much wisdom, said things that were just so poignant to me that really have had a very deep impact to me. Really very humble, beautiful human beings. There's lots of tools, and so I've chosen those tools that I feel that will really now assist me on my journey, because I've had a sense of a deepening and a sense of becoming knowledgeable of what I need to do to go where I need to go. Go for it. Don't hold back. And I would say to them, don't have any judgment don't have any judgments, don't have any preconceptions, and be open and bring your all to it. Bring as much as you can to everything that's on offer.